So today's video is on one of the medicinal plant called aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
What plant it is?
Aloe vera.
Aloe vera has lot of health benefits. It's good for our skin, good for our health, and you can consume it also for a weight loss. Yeah.
And what plant do we have, Mom?
This is the aloe vera. So if you also have aloe vera at your house and it's turning black, then this video is for you. So this is one of the aloe vera I have, and suddenly it started turning black or brown kind of. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna replant it today, and it has got lot of babies outside. 1, 2,
3, 4,
3.
4.
So we're gonna propagate them in a different planter. What we will do first, we will take out this plant from the pot. It got neglected by us, and that is the reason it started turning black, turning brown.
But this pot is brown.
Yeah, this pot is brown.
Why are you?
So what experiment we are going to do is, we will be keeping it inside for few days, and we will be giving the sunlight, like morning sunlight of 2 to 3 hours, and then whole day we will be keeping it inside only. And today I'm going to repot it, so I'll not be using old soil.
Now, what soil you will use, Mom?
I will use a new soil.
Full plant.
See, this is the plant, and oh, I got one baby out. This is the one baby. This is the second baby. Oh my god.
Now there are 3 babies.
Yeah, there are 3 babies we found.
One baby.
2 and
3.
So we will be replanting them in a different pot. Who will do that? Mohit will do that.
I do have a water can.
Yeah. And there is one more small baby is also coming out, but we will not be taking out that. Mohit, we still have a time for watering. We can do that later. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is my water can.
So basically, the moral of the story is, if your plant is turning black or brown kind of, so might be you are giving it over light, sunlight, harsh light. So what experiment I am going to do is, I'll be keeping it inside in my house, and will be just giving a morning sunlight of 2 to 3 hours for few days, and we'll see the result what happens.
Now what are you?
Now I will be replanting this in this pot. Yeah?
But how?
How? I'll show you how. What soil we should use, Mohit?
All soil.
All soil. So we have a drainage holes here. We should keep something on the bottom, right, Mohit?
I can take this one.
Yeah.
I can hold this one, Mom. It's kind of super boring.
Wait. Okay. So soil I'm going to use here is organic soil, all-purpose soil I'm using. It's a mixture of coco peat, perlite.
Mom, can I use it?
Yeah.
Wow, I like this one.
Wait, I'm giving you.
I like purple.
Yeah. Wait. You hold this.
Mom, I like this one, purple.
Yeah. This one is dried out. Everything else is nice. Yeah. Now we will do a watering. Who will do the watering?
Mom,
Mohit will do that.
I want to do boring.
Yeah. Okay. We'll wait for the water to drain out. We'll keep it aside. Now, next comes is our spider plant. Won't come this side, no, bacha? You're standing in between. Which plant is this, Mohit?
Spider plant.
Spider plant. We had done a propagation of it, and now we have started getting roots. I hope you guys can see this. So this is a spider plant. I had done propagation of it few days back. Maybe it took 10 days, and now it has started giving the roots. So it's time to repot it in the soil. So I'll be repotting it in the soil. And this is the small pot of Mohit. Mohit is... Where is Mohit? Who will do this? You wanted to do this, no? This is your small pot. Come. It's your turn now.
No, my turn.
Yeah, it's your turn.
I like purple. I like purple now.
Okay.
I
So,
can take a purple.
okay, take a purple. Take a soil from here.
Oh. I can take blue.
Yes, slowly. Whoops. Done? Okay. So, now, what we'll do first? No. First we need to keep something on the drainage hole. Right? So our soil shouldn't come out. What we will be keeping? This. But this is quite bigger, so we will break it. Ta-da! It's done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we will put our soil in this.
Now put it in this.
Yeah.
Go away, that way.
Okay. And
What
we
is
will
it?
we will dig a hole in this and we'll put our plant in this. Won't come this side, bacha. Don't stand in.
Liquid.
Yeah. Hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it
Hold it.
and put it here.
Building.
Yeah.
Building. Building. Painting. Hello. Hello.
Why are you wiping your hands on my t-shirt?
Nothing.
You silly boy.
Nothing. Just doing nothing.
Just doing nothing.
Just now.
Okay. So this is, whose plant is this?
A spider plant.
But who will keep this? Who will water it?
I.
Mohit will do this, and Mohit will keep this in his room. Yeah?
Yeah.
On your desk, on a study table. You will take care of this baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need to water it. Just a little bit. Okay. Done.
Now
Okay.
I can see.
So our second plant is ready.
I can take care of the baby plant.
So we have watered it. So our today's video ends here.
Sure.
So our today's video ends here. We'll keep you updated with the progress of these plants. Maybe it will take 2-3 days to recover it, and hoping that it can come to its original green color and gets healthy. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video.
Okay.
Okay, come, you say.
Hope you guys like the video.
And
Subscribe.
don't forget to like.
Subscribe. Don't forget to like.
And do share how you like Mohit's baby plant. Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.